In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change workspace picture in Slack, how to change profile picture in Slack. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a refreshed profile photo that shows up next to your messages, in DMs, and across channels, helping teammates recognize you instantly. I'll keep it simple and clear, and we'll follow the exact actions you need inside Slack. First, head to the home view of your Slack workspace. You can do this in either the desktop app or your web browser. Make sure you're signed in to the correct workspace so the change appears where you expect it. The home view is the main screen where you see your channels and DMs in the left sidebar. Next, look at the bottom left corner of Slack. You'll see your profile area there. This usually shows your current photo or your initials inside a small circle, along with your display name. Click that profile area to open your profile panel. This is your central place for personal details like your name, title, and contact information. In the panel that appears, click on Profile. This opens your full profile view, making it easy to see what your teammates see. If you're managing multiple workspaces, double-check that the profile header reflects the intended workspace before continuing. Now, click on Edit. You'll typically find the Edit option near the top portion of your profile, close to your name and avatar. This puts your profile into an editable state and reveals the controls for updating your photo. Finally, choose Upload Photo to pick a picture from your computer. Select an image that represents you clearly, ideally a square or close to square, with good lighting and a clean background. Common formats like JPG and PNG work well. After you select the file, Slack will show a preview and may offer a simple crop or zoom tool. Center your face within the frame so it looks good at both large and small sizes. When you confirm the preview, Slack applies the change to your profile across the workspace. If you don't see the update immediately in the channel list, give it a few moments or reopen your profile panel to refresh the view. That's all it takes. Go to Home, open your profile from the bottom left, view your profile, click Edit, and use Upload Photo to update your picture from your computer. A clear, consistent profile image helps colleagues spot your messages faster and keeps conversations personable. If your workspace has brand or photo guidelines, choose an image that fits those standards. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your updated Slack profile photo.